You're an awful driver. And look what you did. Look what your awful driving did. You old hullabaloo, you. What are we looking at here? Pickup was still fueling and truck driver got angry and did the whole incident. Ugh. I told you they don't care about their trucks. What? Bruh, it's a wild world, bruh. It's a wild world out here. Bruh, if you're a car pulled over on the side of the road, for the love of God, would you pull off farther? Could you imagine if that door was open or if that person was standing outside of there just doing anything? Oh, what a grisly scene that would have been. That is not a proper place to stop. Under no circumstances is that a proper place to stop. That's crazy. No, 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 no. See? The camera driver that we're watching now, this person, the white truck, this one that we're viewing it from, it's their fault. You saw this thing coming over. You were not paying attention. You were not looking at the road. And if you were looking at the road, you decided to rear end this person because you were mad that they overtook you. One of those two things. Little love tap? Why are you going so slow? You deserve that. I hope your back bumper falls off. I wonder if the semi-truck driver can't see him. See, yeah, I did not know there had actually been a collision as the vehicle was too close for me to actually see. Dang. He couldn't have. Dang, that's wild. That last one, though, you saw. It was far ahead. Bruh, I thought he was going under. I thought he was going under. You don't know how to put your car in park, sir?
What's wrong?
Bang!
What's wrong? You pushed my car, huh? Where were you? I saw you come out of nowhere. Okay. I hit you? Yeah, several times. What do you mean several times?
He really had no clue that he tapped that car. Multiple times he had no clue. These trucks are too big. They're too big to be messing around with them and getting so close to them. They can't see diddly squat. Wait. Whoa. Okay, this truck was wrong. Because he came in the merge lane. Sir. You are so wrong for that. You so wrong for that. No, 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 no. You're not checking your rear view. You're not checking your rear view. Is this truck going to get to your right or to your left? What is this? Oh, you're awful. You're an awful driver. And look what you did. Look what your awful driving did. You old hullabaloo, you. Ooh. Oh. I thought those were tires that were off the vehicles. I don't know what I was thinking. I couldn't really see. And it was blocked by the sun and stuff, giving the shadows. What's on coming from? I saw it coming from the right. Oh. How scary. How scary. You look out your window and there's a semi-truck facing you. How scary. At any moment, that thing could just slide up under them wheels. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh!
Oh, that noise he made.
Oh!
That noise.
Oh!
What kind of noise is that?
Oh! Oh!
81 DeLorean? I'd have been livid. Don't do it, Trump. What did you think was going to happen? Why did you drive into me? Well, sir, what type of airheaded decision was that? You had more room to merge. If you would have stayed on your lane and continued to drive like a normal person, you would have slid right in. But because you weren't paying attention, you decided to slide early. Now look what happened to you. Despicable. Despicable. Oh, got arrested at the cribbo. Is this you again? No, 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 no. Oh, we got two dumb drivers in one. We got a 2 for 1. Is that a third lane over there, or is that? No, there's 2 lanes. That's a solid line. There's 2 lanes, and this person is coming from the 3rd lane. Are these 2 racing and were on the 2 sides of the road and then came back on? Because this one came all the way over and looked like it was trying to block this one, or it was trying to avoid this truck in front of it. Either way, they're both dumb for not being in the right place. You're not supposed to be in that lane, and you're not supposed to be all the way over there coming in. Just a pair of dummies. That's exactly what happened. Hey man, take that to the other side of the road, B, with y'all dumb selves. Get out of here. Move before I run y'all over.